Hi, welcome to another video of Discounts series. In this video we will get Wondershare Edraw Soft Coupon Code 2023. So, before we start you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. First of all, go to craftail.pk website and click on Deals and Coupons. Link is in description. On Coupons page you will find all coupons and stores details. Here find your favorite store which you want or click on See All Stores. On All Stores pages find Wondershare and open it. Here you will find all Wondershare products coupon. Find the Edraw Soft coupon under Popular Coupons tab. It will redirect you to the Edraw Soft coupon. Now click on Grab this deal now button. On Edraw Soft website click on Buy Now button. Choose your plan and proceed to checkout. Congratulations, you have successfully got Edraw Soft Coupon Code 2023. Fill the information and complete your purchase. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe CB9 channel.